My name is George. I'm a principal consultant in analytics and banking digitalization at Finacle. There is so much brain power demonstrated today, and we're glad as a team to be part of this.
Hi, my name is Sunil. I lead new solutions team within Finacle. Our mission in Finacle has always been to deliver high-value solutions to our clients.
Sunil, I have a question. If we run a survey on what are the most popular or the most loved brands among teenagers, is there any possibility to find a bank within the results?
Very limited possibility, but that is understandable. Definitely the bank cannot reach the kind of popularity that Walt Disney has among youth. But if you really see, there has been very limited attempt by the banks to focus this as a primary target.
I understand, but I feel that there is a business opportunity that lies here. World's population in the age group of 10 to 18 years old is around 14%. So 14% of global population is currently untapped by any bank. If a bank would educate teenagers in a financial manner and also offer them a digital experience so as to introduce them to the world of banking and personal financial management, wouldn't this have a significant return?
I think you have a point, and that was exactly the principle behind our Finacle Youth Banking solution. We wanted to create a digital engagement model for the kids 10 to 18-year age group, and here we wanted to focus on banking as well as the non-banking aspects of it. So we went through their needs, and in a true design thinking fashion, we created the solution.
Interesting. Let's explore the application.
Sure. So if you look at the solution, it has got a multiple login. So there is a child login, there are parents login as well. And the key aspect of this is that since it's a learning phase for the child and he's learning the banking, the parent can do an online monitoring as well as authorization of the transaction.
So let's first log in with a teenager profile.
Sure. So once you log in, the key principle of this solution has been the simplicity part of it. The solution should not be intimidating for a child for that age group. So if you look at the leftmost panel, is a recent activity that he has been doing in the banking and non-banking world. For example, he's winning some quizzes, he's doing some interactions with his friends and all. Then there's some basic pocket money. These are the normal transactions there. He can buy stuff, he's spending and getting things. And then we have created very simple product like My Desire. So My Desire is a simple basic product where he can, let's say, if he wants to buy an Xbox or something, and this is created to promote a saving habit. There are very basic minimum field that he has to enter. For example, if he wants to buy an Xbox, he just need to enter what he wants to buy, what is the period, what is the amount that he wants to buy this for, and then the whole thing is done. So the account is created, he can post it on Facebook, he can share this with friends. So the whole idea is that the very simple, easy flow that a child can easily understand.
How can they spread awareness of youth banking and create a large pool of potential users?
They can invite their friends on this application.
And what do they get back as a return?
So the application, through that they can get the reward points, they can share their experience with their friends and families.
Pause. And nowadays, it's not who you claim you are, it's what the post in social media tells about you. Can they also set up higher goals? And what is a higher goal?
So for example, if the child wants to study in college, so he can set up a long-term goal wherein the child can start saving. He can also ask his friends and families to contribute towards that. And these are, again, very basic, simple steps. He can set the goals. He can, again, post this on the social media. He can monitor that online. So how much he has saved, how much is to be saved. And so basically, it's a nice way to engage and talk about the saving potential.
Yeah, and goals like studies can generate enthusiasm and can motivate friends and relatives contribute and achieve them.
Exactly.
Can they also use the application for shopping?
Yes, so one of the objectives is that the banks can expose some of the easier kid-specific portal, and then the child can do online purchases. The bank can use this portal to have a revenue share arrangement. They can kind of promote certain things. They can get the school fee payment through this. So there are a lot of opportunities in the revenue sharing area.
Yeah, and being in front of a shopping cart is a smart way for teenagers so as to improve their financial decisions, like how to spend wisely their pocket money. Is there also any gaming experience embedded in youth banking?
Yes, so one of the objectives of this solution was that we should be able to teach banking to the kids in an easy learning way. So we have gamified the whole activity. The bank can publish a series of quizzes, videos, and various other things. The child can answer those quizzes, he can get cool badges, he can monitor the leader's dashboard, where he is with respect to his friends, and then again, he can share this in social media.
Yeah, and creating and publishing in social media such financial quizzes and puzzles can also open teenagers' appetite for studies in finance, and then they may also join us to work together in financial services industry.
Absolutely.
Okay. Any risks associated with the use of youth banking?
Not really. So, and this was in our mind when we conceptualized this solution, because this is for the early age adopters. So this is always done under parental guidance. So the child, whatever he's doing, the transactions, it can be monitored by the parent. They can online approve the transactions through one-time passwords and all that. They can also set up the daily, weekly, and monthly transaction limits for the child. So this is totally secure and controlled environment.
Yeah. And I think that banking at its base is about building trusted and solid relationships, and youth banking allows to build solid relationships between parents and their children. And you can also gain some valuable insights into the spending patterns of teenagers and also their needs, their satisfaction levels, and you can increase customer loyalty.
True. So the idea of this solution was to create a digital engagement model for 10 to 18 years of age group, focused around normal banking, social, gamification, and the shopping aspect of it, combining the banking as well as non-banking interest, and create a solution that they would like.
Sanil, many thanks to you and the innovation team.
Thank you. Thanks, Finovate, and please see us at our booth. Thank you all.